Hi friends, today I'm going to start a new video lecture on Maven. Apache Maven is one of our build automation tool. It makes the build process easy for a developer. We can even use this as a project management tool. Let's see what are the issues that we face in our normal build and how Maven is helping us in resolving those issues. Let me go back to my project. You remember while configuring JBehave and running JBehave, we have downloaded multiple jar files on which the project is dependent. Okay, let's go and see that. Right click on your project, build path, configure build path. So if you come to libraries, you see here, so we have downloaded JBehave core and some of the dependencies on that, like commons, lang, IO, free marker. All these jar files we have downloaded from Maven repository, and then using add external jar files we have added to our class path. Okay, so when there is a dependency on hundreds of jar files, so whenever we set up a project, like, do we have to go and download all the 100 jar files and add them to our project? So it is a tedious process, right? So Maven helps us in order to download all these jar files from a Maven repository directly by using dependencies. Okay, we'll just go through them. Like we'll be having pom.xml, which is a heart of Maven, in which all the execution process configuration will be done. Okay, the whole point is Maven will help us download the dependencies automatically. Okay, you need not go and externally download and build the project. Okay, in this video we will see installation of Maven and also Eclipse integration. Now that we got to know what Maven is, now let's see how to download, install and run Maven. Okay, in order to download Maven, this is the official site of Maven by Apache. Okay, so here you have option to download. Okay, so what are our requirements? You need to have a JDK which is greater than 1.7. As I am using Windows system, I will download binary zip archive. Okay, so source zip is to have the source code, binary is for the class files. Okay, so just download the binary zip. Okay, first extract the contents. Now that we have downloaded the Maven project, let's go and set up our environment variables. Click on this PC, properties, go to advanced system settings. Okay, here click on environment variables. Here in system path, just go, click on edit. So here you have to add the bin paths. Okay, okay. See, now you can see that Maven is identified and Maven is installed in your system. Okay, what you have to do is just download the jar file. Okay, unzip it and set up your environment variables in order to point bin folder. Coming to Eclipse, we have Eclipse integration tool of Maven. Go to help, Eclipse marketplace, search for Maven. So see here, Maven integration for Eclipse, it's already installed in my system. If you find it not installed, you can just click on install button, it will get installed. Okay, so this Maven integration is required in order to create Maven projects in Eclipse. Then this plugin will take care of building the projects and providing providing existing artifacts in order to create Maven projects. So till here we have seen how to download your Maven, how to install it. Coming to run part, Maven will have these options. So MVN space, if If you want any options, you can run your options. If you have any goals, you can run your goals, and you can run your phases also. Okay, let me show you as first option as Maven /h, which will be used to get the list. It is like help it. You'll get the list of options that are available on Maven. Okay, you can just go through this list, and whichever is required for you, you can just run those. Okay, so we used to run this, right? Maven space -v to display the version information. That's how Maven options will be working. Okay, now let me tell you about some Maven Faces. Okay, Maven has 3 lifecycle phases: clean, default, and site. Within each phase, you will have different goals in a sequence. So for Maven, if you are choosing one of a phase in your lifecycle, all the phases before that will get executed. Let's go to Maven's page once. Okay, here the built-in life cycles are clean, default, and site. Okay, so these are the life cycles, and each one is a phase: pre-clean, clean, post-clean, or phases in clean, like validate, initialize. Okay, generate the sources, then process the sources, generate the resources, process the resources, then compile, then process the classes. The same repeats for tests. Okay, and then finally integration, packaging, integration, then verify, install, and then deploy. Okay, each one is a phase in a life cycle. Okay, suppose if I run Maven install, okay, then Maven will run all the phases before that: pre-clean, clean, post, validate, everything till install. Okay, suppose if I run only Maven package, okay, it runs all this just before package till package. Maven will have a particular folder structure. We will go through that folder structure and we'll see how to create a new project or open an existing project and how to configure pom.xml. All these things we will see